main idea with those questioning, those lock-on questions, and we're gonna see, I mean, questioning techniques is a very important thing in customer service because it's all about how you're asking the questions and what information you want to get out of it. Because most part of the time, when it comes to customer feedback, the issue is that we are being reactive rather than being proactive. You want to know your customer issues before they tell you about it. And like I mentioned to some groups, most part of the time, they will only tell you they have issues when they are really unhappy about it. We think that customers say it straight away when they're unhappy about something. That is not true. Actually, they tell you about it really when it's impacting them up to a point that they want to tell you. But most part of the time, they're not saying it. So you want to be proactive by knowing it before they being the one who tell you about it. So lock-on question is very good for that. That is very good, and that is so important. So again, you bringing the value with your product. That is what you're talking about when you're onboarding your customers. Now the role in terms of customer service is to make sure that you keep bringing it and you are being proactive in checking that everything is going well for your customers before they become unhappy and they don't stay with you. So that is where the strategy needs to be about retention, but the approach with your customers needs to be about loyalty. And that's how you make your customer loyal, is by checking if everything's going well and getting their feedback, not only when you're offboarding them, but before that. So a little bit like we said already, in order to understand the what, you need to make it about the why. So you shouldn't only expect the steps to follow to use the product, but really the value they will get out of it. So if you do that, that's what you're gonna get, and that's how you need to get it. So making it about the value first, then how do they get the value? Even within your guidelines, that's how you should be doing it.